always tired.
I work all day for you. I want your future to be bright.
Mom, do you ever rest?
I rest very little. I spend most of my time working for you.
Mom, why do you take all the burden alone?
I don't want you to worry. I can handle everything myself.
Mom, are you feeling okay today?
I am a little tired, but I will be fine soon.
Mom, why don't you eat properly?
I forget many times. I always think about your needs first.
Mom, why are you working so hard?
I want to give you both a better life.
Mom, can we help you in your work?
Yes, just study hard and become successful. That is enough help.
Mom, why do you look sad sometimes?
I am not sad. I just think about your future.
Mom, what is your biggest dream?
My dream is to see you both successful
And happy. Mom, do you ever feel happy?
Yes, my happiness is your smile.
Mom, why don't you take rest today?
I will rest after I finish my work.
Mom, you always sacrifice for us?
That is what a mother does. Love means sacrifice.
Mom, you never think about yourself? I think about myself. Later. First comes my children. Mom, what if you get sick?
Don't worry. I will be fine. I am strong for you.
Mom, why do you sometimes cry?
Sometimes mothers cry silently so children can smile.
Mom, we understand your struggle now.
That is all I ever wanted. Understanding is enough for me.
Mom, you are very strong. I am strong because I love you. Mom, we promise to make you proud.
That promise is my biggest happiness.
Mom,
We will take care of you now.
that is the moment I was waiting for. Mom, why do you work at night?
I work extra so your future becomes better. Mom, are you not feeling lonely?
I am not lonely because I have you both. Mom, do you miss your rest?
Yes, but your future is more important.
Mom, why do you always smile?
Because I don't want you to see my pain.
Mom, what do you think about us?
I think you both are my biggest blessing.
Mom, do you eat properly at work?
Sometimes I forget, but I manage.
Mom, why are your hands so tired?
Because I work all day for your comfort.
Mom, do you ever get free time?
Very little, but I use it for you.
Mom, what makes you strong?
Your love gives me strength every day.
Mom, are you happy with your life?
Yes, because I have you both.
Mom, what do you want from us?
I only want you to study and be kind.
Why don't you complain? Because love does not complain. It sacrifices. Mom, are you tired right now?
Yes, but I will continue for you.
Why do you always think about us? Because you are my whole world. Mom, do you need rest?
I will rest after I see you successful.
Mom, why do you never stop working? Because your future depends on my effort. Mom, are you crying now?
No, I am just emotional thinking about you.
Mom, we love you so much.
That love is my biggest reward.
Mom, thank you for everything.
You both are my life's purpose.